New Jersey is home to several famous locations, ranging from historical sites to natural landmarks and vibrant cities. Here are some of the most renowned spots. 1. Atlantic City. Known for its boardwalk, casinos, and entertainment venues, Atlantic City is a popular destination for tourists seeking a mix of beach and nightlife. 2. Liberty State Park. Located in Jersey City, this park offers stunning views of the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and the Manhattan skyline. It's a great spot for picnics, biking, and boating. 3. Princeton University. One of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the United States, Princeton University is known for its beautiful campus and rich history. 4. Cape May. A charming seaside town famous for its Victorian architecture, Cape May is a popular destination for beachgoers and history enthusiasts. 5. The Jersey Shore. The Jersey Shore is famous for its beaches, boardwalks, and summer vacation spots. Towns like Seaside Heights, Asbury Park, and Point Pleasant Beach are especially well known. 6. The Delaware Water Gap. This national recreation area offers stunning natural beauty, with opportunities for hiking, camping, and water activities along the Delaware River. 7. Thomas Edison National Historical Park. Located in West Orange, this site preserves the laboratory and residence of Thomas Edison, showcasing his many inventions and contributions to modern technology. 8. Ellis Island. Though technically part of New York, Ellis Island is accessible from New Jersey and played a significant role in the history of immigration to the United States. 9. The Pine Barrens. A vast, forested area covering much of southern New Jersey, the Pine Barrens is known for its unique ecology, folklore, and outdoor recreation opportunities. 10. Six Flags Great Adventure. This popular amusement park in Jackson Township is home to some of the tallest and fastest roller coasters in the world, as well as a drive-through safari. 11. Paterson Great Falls. One of the largest waterfalls in the eastern United States, Paterson Great Falls is a national historical park and a key site in America's industrial history. These locations offer a diverse glimpse into what New Jersey has to offer, from urban excitement to natural beauty.